Hi there, Mac here from Prestige Cars Kent. This is a quick video walkthrough tour of our 2019 Range Rover Sport SVR we have new in stock. I'm just going to run through the specification of this vehicle, just pointing at some of the main standout features on the car which separate our example here from some of the others you'll see on the market. Starting with the exterior, you can see our example is finished in the Yulong white metallic paintwork with the exposed carbon fibre visible around the exterior, including the carbon fibre bonnet, the carbon fibre mirror caps, side trim and trim across the rear. The vehicle comes with the 22-inch gloss black painted alloy wheels, the optional sliding panoramic glass sunroof, the optional heated and cooled front seats with the heated rear seats available as well for the rear outer passengers, and also the optional Ebony Cirrus interior upholstery with the ivory style seats in the front and the rear of the vehicle. The SVR Carbon Pack in exposed gloss covers a few of the features mentioned earlier in this video, and a few of the standard SVR features you get on the vehicle include the pixel LED headlights with the signature daytime running lights, LED tail lights, the full upgraded interior design including the sport seats, the leather trim steering wheel with the updated controls on either side, also the dual touchscreen displays on the centre console with access to your climate control functions, your heated and ventilated seat controls, your reversing camera, your satellite navigation, your DAB radio, as well as all of your other infotainment features. And lastly, you can see this vehicle comes with plenty of boot space available in the rear for all of your storage needs. If you'd like to know any more information about this vehicle, would like to book a viewing or a test drive, please contact one of our sales team through the number provided at the end, or inquire through our website.